Good morning. You are listening Aradhya Gupta, your news anchor from Lao Farah Media. Here we bring your latest update news of 24th July from around the world. First news comes from Corona update. As many as 29,557 COVID-19 patients have recovered in the past 24 hours. The highest recorded in a day so far, taking the recovery rate to 63.18%, the Union Health Ministry said on Wednesday. According to data updated by the Health Ministry at 8 am, total recoveries have surged to 7,82,606 and exceeded the active cases of COVID-19 by 3,56,439. The overall tally in India rose to 1,23,86,035 after over 45,000 fresh cases were registered within a span of 24 hours. The death toll also increased from 28,732 to 29,861. World update. Scientists have developed a rapid test to detect antibodies in COVID-19 patients that specifically block the novel coronavirus, an advance that may lead to faster method for estimating the population level infection rate of the disease. According to the study published in the journal Nature Biotechnology, a rapid test to detect neutralizing antibodies capable of blocking the novel coronavirus SARS-CoV-2 is urgently needed to facilitate monitoring of infection rates, as well as to determine vaccine efficacy during clinical trials. Delhi update. Chief Minister Arvind Kejriwal met 19 students of Delhi Government School who had performed well in their class 12 board exams, along with their parents and heads of school at his residence on Wednesday. Talking to them, he said, "Everything is free in your school. How is it free? Where is the money coming from? Who is paying the government to sponsor education in government school? It is the taxpayer money that is being utilized. And who pays taxes? Everyone, including even the poorest man in nation, pay taxes." Education update. More than 12 crore students in India are studying in private schools, which accounts for nearly 50% of the total school-going population of India. A better quality of education and English as a medium of instruction are among the key reasons for parents opting for private school for their children. But recent reports show that private schools are not delivering on these expectations. About 60% of rural private school students in class 5 cannot solve a simple division problem. 35% of rural private school students in class 5 cannot read a class 2 level graph, according to the sector state report by the Central Square Foundation. Bollywood update. Bollywood mega star Amitabh Bachchan on Thursday slammed report of him testing negative for COVID-19. The actor, who is currently undergoing treatment at Mumbai Nanavati Hospital, tweeted his reaction to news during the round that he will soon be discharged. Amitabh posted Twitter, "This news is incorrect, irresponsible, fake and incorrigible lie." All about It's Today news. I, Aradhya Gupta, will come with new updates tomorrow. Stay tuned with us. Have a great day ahead. Thank you.